So today I want to talk about two types of means. The arithmetic mean is something you're likely familiar with. So if I want to find the arithmetic mean of 4 and 6, what we do is we take 4 plus 6, and then we divide it by, well, how many numbers are that set, which is going to be equal to 2. So we know we're going to get 10 divided by 2, which is going to be equal to 5. Now, what's nice about a mean is I should get a number somewhere between, 4 and 6. In this case, it's exactly in the middle. Now, the geometric mean is done a little bit differently. Instead of adding the numbers, what I do is I multiply the numbers. Instead of dividing them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to root them with the same indice that I have for numbers. So since I have two numbers, I'm going to square root. And the square root of 24 is about 4.9. Now, very similarly, if I want to do, say, three numbers, if I have the set, say, 3, 8, and 4, what we know is that when I add these numbers up, we're going to get, 15. So let's say the arithmetic mean is going to be 3 plus 8 plus 4, in this case, divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is going to be equal to 5. Now, the arithmetic mean says 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So I'm really asking, what do I add together 3 times to get me the exact same sum as adding these things together? And if I want to do, say, the geometric mean of this, what I'm really asking is, what number do I multiply, 3 factors together to get the same product that I would here? So, 3 times 8 times 4 is going to be equal to our 96. So 3 times 8 times 4. Now, instead of dividing by 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cube root them because I have 3 factors. And the cube root of that is about, it's about 4.58. So in the previous thing, I could say 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15, which happened to be equal to the sum of 3 plus 8 plus 4. And then in this case, if the common operation that I'm worried about for, finding a mean is multiplication, so I can say that 3 times 8 times 4 is going to be equal to, 4.58 times 4.58 times 4.58. The different means have different spots that they're useful for. So like your arithmetic mean might be found if you're trying to find your average grade in the class, and that's because the common operation between points is going to be addition. Now your geometric mean tends to be more important like in population growth, where you're actually compounding, that your next growth is dependent on the number before. So if I have more people, of course, I'm going to have, a larger population in the next year. So if you like the content, please subscribe.